Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix speech rate problem on any Samsung phone. Now, if you swipe up on the screen and if you change the speech rate on your smartphone, and if you want to disable this feature, just swipe up with two fingers and open your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe to the left side and open the settings app. Now just swipe up with two fingers on the settings app and open the accessibility page. Now from here, just tap on Talkback. Now just disable Talkback and select Turn Off. And this is how you can fix speech rate problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.